How many of you like to see the actual colors of an embroidery design before you start to stitch it out? If that is you, you're going to want to follow this video tutorial on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3. We have tons of free videos for you to master this beautiful machine, and there's a link in the description below which will take you to the complete playlist of every video that we have made, including the online courses we recommend for our own Viking Designer Epic 3 owners. Start by bringing up a design. I'm going to do one just from the built-in designs from the machine, and let's just go ahead and choose design number 18 in the signature collection. When you want to edit the colors, so you're actually seeing the ones you're going to use, come down to the color palette and let's see what our options are. First, you're going to notice the colors that are defaulted. You've got quick color changes here, but when you select a color, for example, you can see you can quickly change it to one of those other colors and see a little preview right here on the screen. As you select each color to change, another way to change the colors is to actually choose colors from a complete color range. You can also choose from your own thread library. So what this means is, with this arrow pointing down, you can choose from quite a few thread color palettes that are built into this machine. So for example, I use a lot of isocord embroidery thread. So I'm scrolling to where the eyes are. As you're seeing, there is so many to pick from. Isocord Poly 40. And then I can type in the thread number I want or just pick it from the list of all of those particular colors. So if you have threads in your collection, you can actually identify each thread, put it in, and have the machine apply your thread color to the design. So for right now, let's just go ahead for fun. Let's just change these colors up just a little bit. The second color, pick the third color of your choice. Let's just push purple. But here's one thing I want you to notice. One of the things is if you leave one of these highlighted, when you come out of the edit colors area, you're going to notice that that's the color that is highlighted and other things are grayed out, which kind of throws some of our students. So here's how to fix that. Go back into Edit Colors, deselect the last one you probably changed, and then go out and you'll see that you'll have all the colors showing. But that is a good way of knowing, okay, was that the light blue or was that the medium blue or the dark blue that you were changing? That's a way to be able to go in and really see which one is which, especially when a design has, say, 10 or 20 colors in it and a lot of different shading options. So at this point, if you do want to save this design in the newly adjusted colors, remember you have a save feature right here and you can touch save and continue on. We do have a video on how to save embroidery designs, so if that is something you haven't done before, click on the video right up here in this corner. We'll pop it out and you can watch that video next. If these videos are helpful for you, make sure you're clicking like on each video as you watch them. That's your way of saying thank you for the free information. And don't forget, check out our free video tutorials and online classes dedicated to the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic owners.